Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the burger spice mix of the legendary Overlook Hotel's burger. Here's how you make it. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of ground mustard, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2.5 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Then just grab a spoon and spin this around until it's all mixed up. Okie dokie, we got the standard third pound patty of 80/20. And just gonna sprinkle some spice on these things. Don't worry about over seasoning because, again, you're gonna lose a bunch when we go to the grill and start flipping the burgers. All right, let's go out to the grill. Okay, burgers are grilling right along. I am going to be melting some cheddar and Swiss on them a little bit later. So, yeah, we'll be back when it's time to take them in the house. Okie dokie. Have our toasted bun and our burger patty down. Add some mayo to the top one. Then add a little bit of ketchup. Some stone ground Dijon coarse mustard, and some bread and butter pickles. So again, if a burger doesn't have pickles on it, it's probably going to be trash. Throw it on the ground. And then some French's fried onions. And that's it, the Hotel Overlook burger. From a legendary hotel that nothing bad ever happened in. Oh, for that one tiny little thing. Anyway, that's the Hotel Overlook burger. Done.